Yo, let's go ahead and unbox these Grails straight from the GOAT app. Hey man, I'm super excited to see them. First time having them in hand, and it's been a long time coming for me to actually get these sneakers right here. Shout out to the GOAT app, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for sliding through the channel, clicking on the video. Like I said, today we're gonna be unboxing a Grail sneaker of mine. Whatever you define as your Grail, man, that's you. But for me, it's sneakers that I've been eyeing for a long time. That I probably released once upon a time, like, you know, way back in the day. And these right here did drop, I think twice so far. I did a retro on them, but I'm super excited to get them. Like I said, shout out to the GOAT app. This is probably the longest it ever took the shit from the GOAT app. I know I've done plenty of reviews over them, let you guys know, you know, saying what everything entails as far as ordering off of the app. And I always, you know, people always ask me, is GOAT app legit? I've never got any sneaker from GOAT that was any type of fraudulent. They might have sent me some little sketchy boxes, but you know, who wears a box? I'm worried about the kicks. But if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content. I'm putting you guys on recently about these shock drops and these restocks. We just got a Jordan Reserve today, and they dropped a pair of Air Jordan 3 Katrinas, the Pine Greens, the Air Jordan 5 Green Beans, then they dropped the Racer Blue 5s, and there was a couple other sneakers. I'm putting a little screenshot over here so you guys should check it out. Please let me know down below in the comment section which Jordans you hit on the sneakers reserve they did today. Very interested in knowing. I took a huge L on the Katrinas. That's the only, you know, shoe I really wanted. I already had the Pine Greens, I already had the Green Beans, Racer Blues, all that shit. I wanted the Katrinas, not the Katrinas, the Cardinals. I'm sorry, the Cardinal 3s. I really wanted the Cardinal 3s because I did secure a pair size 10.5 that was sitting in the mall. But I guess it's gonna be another shoe on that Grail list of me copping later down the line because resale price isn't too bad. But let me know down below in the comment section what all shoe you hit on the Jordan Reserve today. Leave a huge like on this video, that really helps the channel grow. Y'all been going crazy spamming up them likes. Just keep it up. We're gonna hit that 60K in a matter of no time. And it's all thanks to you guys. My Instagram, my Twitter be linked down below. Like I said, if anything happens as far as restock, shock drop, anything crazy, maybe even something funny, I always retweet it, reshare it on my story. So like I said, my Instagram and my Twitter will be linked down below. And real quick, man, I appreciate everybody's been copping the shorts. We are damn near sold out of all the ramen joints. This is the second restock we've done so far. So go ahead and secure you a size right now. Secure you a pair of the ramen joints. Some of the best sellers. The paisley mesh joints is damn near sold out too, so get yours now. And of course, the Animal Instinct joints, we have 2 separate colors. You can go browse the site. I'm gonna link it down below. If you guys go support the brand, it'd be greatly appreciated. And I'm helping you guys out as well, especially for everybody that's not in uniform, that can rock, you know what I'm saying, regular clothes to school. Crazy sale going on right now on UNKWN Collections. Link down below in the description box. All right, let's get right back into these joints right here. Like I said, I'm excited. I'm super excited because I waited too long for these. You know what I'm saying? You know how the YouTube videos be. I waited 15 years for these Grail sneakers. I think they were released for the first time back in 09, if I'm not mistaken, or like 2010 or 2011. I'm not too sure. I don't care. We got them now, so we're going to go ahead and get into the box. Again, shout out to the GOAT app. Everybody always asks me, is it legit? Yes, they're legit. You can trust them. They do sell used sneakers. They sell sneakers with defects, which I've copped a couple sneakers in that category as well. So, you know what I'm saying, browse the GOAT app. If anybody's new to the app, it's pretty legit. I like the shipment, I like the customer service, because if your shoes come in a different condition that they were listed at, they might give you a little discount, maybe some free shipping or something to that effect, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get into it, man. So I'm talking because I'm ready to see these joints. Got some brown tissue paper. You see the box. You see the box, man. Let's go ahead and pull these out. I'm so excited. If you guys do not know, LeBron James is my favorite player, the best player of all time in my opinion. And I have some other LeBrons in the collection that's over here in the stack. Probably all the way at the bottom, but I see a couple right here that I can show you guys. But I do feel like LeBron is the best. Somebody asked me if LeBron is the best player of all time, why you don't have any LeBron sneakers. I do have a couple. I just love Jordan sneakers as far as the fashion side better than the LeBrons. But these right here, I couldn't wait no longer, man. And I got them for under retail. So let's get into a Nike LeBron 9 Total Orange Reflect Silver. Got these joints in the size 9. Y'all probably tired of hearing me talking like show the Grail sneaker. First time and finally we have them. Shouts out to the GOAT. You guys see the little sticker right here. GOAT verified. Each step it goes through, get that out the way. Yes, sir. Oh man, we finally have them. The big bang LeBron 9s. Oh my God. These is crazy, bro. First time seeing them in hand. Every time I see them on somebody's feet, every time I see somebody showing them, I'm like so jealous. I'm so mad. Like, yo, I gotta get a pair. And I think recently, or when they first dropped, they were going for like $250, $260. I was kind of seeing how the resale market was going. I said, yo, they're gonna go below retail. And I got these joints for $155. $155 under retail. I think that retail, or the retail sticker on here, I think they did retail for like $220 or $250. I'm not too sure. And we got these joints for $155, bro. Look at this crazy shoe. You guys probably already know the history behind this one right here. They released a part of like that Big Bang, the Galaxy type vibe or whatever. And I couldn't get it back in the day, of course. They restocked, took a huge L, did like a shock drop, did some other crazy stuff for the sneaker. And nothing but L's. But we finally have it. I'm gonna get the box out the way, bro. We gotta break these down, man. We gotta break them down. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot more Grail sneakers that I'm picking up. There's a couple that I'm looking at on GOAT, a couple of them getting on StockX. I'm just waiting to pull the trigger because there's a lot of other stuff dropping. But just know, we got a crazy early boxing coming very soon. You guys stay tuned and hit the notification bell. But yes, sir, check them joints out. Big Bang, LeBron 9s, probably the best silhouette. But I'd say it's between the Zoom Generation 1s, the LeBron 9s, maybe a little bit of the 8s, and of course the LeBron 10s, my favorite silhouettes from LeBron. And I was happy that they brought these back out. Gave me another opportunity to get them. Like I said, I took an L, but now we got these joints for under retail. Good things come to those who wait, but you can't wait too late because our resale might skyrocket. But it worked in my favor because I got these for $155, bro. Look at these, man. I can't believe I finally got them. This is one of those staple sneakers that you gotta have. I feel like you gotta have the Big Bang LeBron 9s. You gotta have those Galaxy Foam Posits, different sneakers like that. And I do have the Galaxy Foam Posits somewhere. I just don't know which box they're in. I used to always show them. That's probably the most money I spent on one pair of sneakers. I couldn't believe myself, but I had to get them. And I had to get these beautiful joints right here. It's not much to say about them, man. It's not really much to say about them. I'm just happy that I finally got them. I kind of want to throw them on feet now. Like, this is gonna be the shoe that I wear when I want to flex, you know what I'm saying? Even though they're only $150, I'm gonna flex in my own way because I really wanted some back in the day, couldn't get it, and now we finally got them. Probably one of the best features on the GOAT app is that you can go to whatever sneaker you do want, you can hit the want button, and every time the price drops, every time you see like a different offer, stuff like that, they show you, and they give you updates on the price and all that good stuff. And when I seen they going only for $130 something, I said, bro, ain't no way the Big Bang LeBron 9s is going for $130. It was true. After taxes, fees, and shipping, came out to $155, bro. $155. You got the glowing, the dark translucent soles, and you got that total orange, crazy Big Bang kind of Galaxy vibes. I'm just super excited to have these joints. Like LeBron said when he got his first ring, it's about damn time to get these joints in the collection. I know y'all probably like, yo, I thought he was gonna pull out a pair of Jordans, a pair of foams or something like that. No, it's a pair of LeBrons. Hey, it's my Grail sneaker. I don't care what you guys say, but I definitely want to show you guys what I picked up, and I'm definitely gonna be showing you guys more sneakers that's on the way from the GOAT app pretty soon. So I'm telling you, stay tuned. You don't want to miss out on this early unboxing. So yeah, definitely utilize that want button so you can see the price fluctuation between sneakers that you want. GOAT is 100% legit, super fast in my opinion. They always faster than StockX. I don't know why. I don't know what be going on, but it seems like the authentication process is either fast or whoever is selling the sneakers close to a facility, because I bought these last week and I got them now. So pretty fast, almost less than a week. I think it was like a week and a day, but happy they're here. Another Grail, check out the list. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. Subscribe if you're new. Also hit the notification bell because like I said earlier in the video, we got an early unboxing coming soon. You do not want to miss this one. Probably one of the best OG colorways releasing this year. I probably gave you too much already, but stay tuned by hitting the notification bell. Like I always say, leave a huge like because that really helps the channel grow. We're less than 1,000 away from that 60K. So I mean, we're 40K away, a little over 40K away from that big 100K. We celebrating. And I try to always do a giveaway when we get to those milestones. 60K is huge. I never imagined myself to be where we at today. Like I said, my IG, Twitter, all that good stuff will be linked down below. Take advantage of the huge sale going on in brand UNKWN Collections. You definitely gonna like what you see over there. It's another drop on the way. So just stay tuned for all that by following me on my social media. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning into today's video. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.